Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your tax return on a TurboTax. And it's really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, if this is your first time signing in this year, just sign into your account and select continue on the screen, which will show your previous year summary, okay? Then make sure you're using the same TurboTax account, which is your same user ID as you have been using in your previous years. And on the second screen, which will be showing your product and pricing, you're going to scroll down and select your tax returns and documents. Then you basically want to just select the year you want, and then select download/print return in PDF. Now, if you have already started your return early, you sign into your TurboTax account, use the same one, the same user ID as you've been using the previous years, and then this is what you do. Okay, if you want to do this, there's two ways. You select documents from the menu, and then you use the drop down menu to basically choose the year you want, and just select download tax PDF. And the other way is on the tax home, scroll down and select your tax returns and documents, and then just select the year you want, and of course just select a download for that PDF. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.